Hey there, tired of your Gmail inbox being cluttered with endless social notifications? Let's clean it up in just a few simple steps. Here's how to delete social emails in Gmail. First, open your web browser, type gmail.com in the address bar. Once you are logged in, you will be seeing primary, promotions, and socials in the screen. Simply click on social. Here you will be seeing all your social mails. Click the small checkbox at the top left corner of the email list. This selects all visible emails. If you want to delete all social emails, click delete. If you have many social links, it will take some time to delete. Simply click on this again and click on delete. If you would rather keep them out of sight but not delete them, use the archive button instead, which is this. Simply click on it and your conversations will be archived. And that's it. With just a few clicks, your Gmail inbox is now cleaner. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.